Hi, my name is Frank from D D Gunsmithing in Troy, Michigan. I'm a professional gunsmith, and today we are installing Night Fision sights on a Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. And for tools, we need brass drifts, aluminum drifts, hammers, and sight fitting stone. Stone is specifically designed for fitting sights, oil, and of course the Night Fision sights. We're going to go in, we're going to see how much we have to fit it. Give it a good little tap, see how far it moves forward with nylon hammer. It goes in pretty far on soft taps, so we know we have a little bit more fitting to do. Again, we'll take our aluminum drift for front sight and we'll just get it in the groove. Comes right out there. Go straight to the oil stone. Again, we're using our nylon hammer. And we just come up to the edge, line everything up nice and neatly, so you have nice clean work done. And glides right in. Alright, now to the rear sight, guys. Rear sight's a little bit more complicated. There's usually more fitting involved. Plus, we have this lovely spring and plunger that we have to arrest. So, let's see how far we have to go. Put it on. Arrest the plunger. Make sure you're nice, free, and clear on the back end. Use a pick, or in this case, a small Allen key. Take your nylon mallet. And we're pretty close right off the bat, so all we're going to have to do is a little bit of fitting. Come in. And remember, always hit on the edge. Never hit on the top where the vials are. You can break these vials. Alright, got it lined up. All you gotta do now is clean the aluminum off with some fine steel wool and some oil, and we're ready to go.